Last time the tomatoes were ready, and they've waited long enough. Only the tunnel wasn't. They'd been potted on and held back here, waiting for the space to open up. And here's the problem. The cabbage is already starting to flower, so this bed has to change. The cabbage comes out, one plant at a time. The cabbage is starting to flower. It's pushing up through the centre now, and it's bolting. That means the tunnel has to turn over. Everything comes out, one plant at a time. Each one is lifted clear and set aside for the compost or chickens. With the last winter cabbage out, there's nothing left standing now, just the soil, flat and clear. The tomatoes are set out across the bed first. It keeps everything simple once you start. The first plant is going in, and small hole opens, just enough to take it. Gently teased out of the cup. You can see it in the roots now, and straight into the ground, set deep into the bed and held in place as the soil closes back around it. The string is fixed low at the base, ready to guide it upward. Basil goes in alongside. Tucked in close while the soil is still open. A clear cover goes over the top, just to protect it while it gets established. Lowered into place and pinned down so it holds. This ensures any wind or small animals won't be able to knock it off. Then water. Just enough to settle it in and give the roots a good drink. And then, after finishing the rest, we'll step back and imagine the jungle that will grow here over the next few months. From there, the work moves outside. The next set of plants is carried over, from the busy nursery to their final positions. They're laid out first, spaced across the surface, then planted one at a time. Then, they're given a good drink to help acclimatise to the beginning of May's warming soil. Each one set in and left in place, protected from the emerging white butterflies under netting. The next sowing. Fresh mixed compost. Zucchini for the new front beds. 3 seeds going in to ensure germination of at least one. Placed, covered, watered, and left to sit. On the benches, everything's building. Trays shift, positions change, and more space fills up. Brassicas, beans, and leeks, all at different stages, all moving forward. The beans are tied in next, lifted upright, and held against a line. Across the garden, you can see the shift. One crop out and another in. Space reused and carried forward. The system keeps moving forward and the next stage is in place. Everything now is set to grow. I'll keep this moving and follow it through as it develops. If you want to see how it progresses, you can follow along here.